Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Maribel Esdicolas, 33 years of age, single. I have a son, ages 2 years old. I live in Dikamaywan, Jones, Isabela. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the 6th child of the family, and I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple, 1 elderly, and 1 son. My main duties is to taking care of their son, giving a food, tutoring the children, and also giving the elderly medicine and assisting the elderly. I also do household chores like cleaning, ironing, dishwashing, and car washing. And I also have experience in Hong Kong. I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 children, ages 9 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, dishwashing, and car washing. My main duties is to taking care of their children. I send and fetch them from school. I tutoring their children and also helping them with their activities.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will taking care of the baby when they're sick. I will check their temperature and call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
When do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, especially my son, and to be financially stable in the future, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your child.
My mother and my older brother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will tell to myself and to work hard for my family, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
A little bit, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like Baby Shark. Baby Shark, choo-choo-choo, Baby Shark. Daddy Shark, choo-choo-choo, Daddy Shark. Mommy Shark, choo-choo-choo, Mommy Shark. Brother Shark, choo-choo-choo, Brother Shark. Sister Shark, choo-choo-choo, Sister Shark.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you choose me as your helper because I'm honest, hardworking, and responsible. I promise to be more patient to your family. Thank you.
Okay.